You think logos are cheap? Think again. Welcome to Brand Facts. Here are the top 5 most expensive logos ever created. At number 5, ANZ Bank spent $15 million on a new blue logo, symbolizing growth and connection. That's some serious banking confidence. Next, Norway's Postal Service dropped $55 million rebranding every mailbox, uniform, and truck with a shiny new red swirl logo. At number 3, Accenture paid $100 million to introduce their greater than logo, literally putting the accent on the future. Number 2, British Petroleum reimagined itself as green and eco-friendly, spending $211 million on the Helios flower logo and global rollout. And number 1, Symantec, a whopping $1.28 billion for the checkmark logo, part of a massive rebrand after buying VeriSign. So next time you design a logo, remember, it might be worth millions. See you again with some amazing brand facts